Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. A particularly intriguing one because this came by means of DHL, and I have absolutely no idea who sent it. So we're going to find out together. As per usual, if it is something I can link, I will link it right down below for you guys to check out. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to whoever sent this. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Usually, like the DH, I mean, it came from another country, right? Doesn't necessarily mean China. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it means somebody else. We'll find out. Okay, we have this. No more information revealed there. It's a hard box. That's all I got for you so far. All right, here we go. Kunwu! Yeah, I'm always happy to get something from Kunwu. Now I am a little bit more sure of what it is. Yeah, okay, hold on. Is there anything on the, oh, does it say? Yeah, oh wait, it says Tau Compact. So it must be the Tau Compact. Yes, of course. I did not know that this is what they were sending. I had no idea. I did not know that they planned to do a Tau Compact, but I am certain, just like the Tau did, this is going to make a lot of people happy. And look at that. They've done the same type of finish that's really cool. This is the type of thing that I always comment on, right? Of course, this comes with a tool, an extra pocket clip. That's nice. Really like that. I will definitely link info on this. This is either available or it's something that's coming soon. But when you have a handle scale, now some people do like plain tie, right? But I refuse to believe that the reason that we see so many knives with plain, just smooth tie, I refuse to believe that that's a massive preference. I believe it is a preference for some people, but I refuse to believe that it is such a massive, widespread preference that it justifies the same thing over and over and over again from so many different companies. It has to be because it is simple and less expensive than texturing it. Probably not that less expensive, which is why it bothers me so much. Anyways, I like this. He could have left this plain and he didn't. This looks nice. Let's zoom in because we can do that now because this camera will actually capture the definition. There you go. Beautiful. As per usual, we have a real Damascus pivot collar. Nice texturing here on the index finger scallop, which is nice. This continues all the way down here. Sorry, my fingernail is so gross. A little anodized lanyard bar there. Very cool. This looks like well, am I zoomed up? I think I am. I think it's actually T6 hardware. Wire clip, not my favorite in the whole world, right? But you get two of them, so that's fine. I like how they lip this screw right here. This is nice. LMAX steel, Tau Compact, flat ground blade, right? That same, general drop point blade, fully flat ground and very useful. Here's why the profile of the Tau works in compact form. It's because this flipper tab is flat in the open position. Instead of having, do I have a good example? Give me a moment. Let's see, what do we have here? Instead of a knife like this that has this is the Varga VBR, by the way. Knife like this that has a flipper tab that, is shaped like this. Now this has a choil, so you can choke up or you can choke back, but you can't put your finger right on top of it. This, because the flipper tab is very low profile, shaped like this, right? You obviously have the option to front flip it, right? Which I'm not gonna do because I don't want to throw it. Or you can light switch it back here. You can actually choke up here, right? This is a nice, flat, knockdown area that you can use to choke up on. You still have to be cognizant of where your fingers are, but that's a nice spot. This is not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. It is very similar, obviously, to the original Tao, which is just the same thing but larger. I would venture to guess that there are people watching this right now who have chosen. I know you guys like to pick a knife to sit and flip while you listen to me ramble on, whether you're paying attention or not. And that's fine. I take that as a compliment. I would hope that's what you're doing. I would hope that is what you are doing. But it's very similar to the full-size Tao. It's just smaller. But I'm venturing to guess that there are some people who have the Tao, maybe even flipping it right now, and I would also take you know, I think it would be an accurate guess to say that you are pretty pleased considering what you spent on it. These are great knives, and Kunwu is doing very, very good work for the money. Absolutely. These are not going to come in hyper expensive versus the competition. These are still expensive knives, make no mistake. But if you've spent any amount of time in this territory, then you'll know the general competition is making the same thing for $50, $75, sometimes $100 more. You're just getting more and better with this, right? So very cool. Tao Compact. Wasn't expecting this one. Always happy to open a box from Kunwu though. This is a nice surprise. Anyways, should we measure it and weigh it real quick just for people wanting to know specs? Yeah, we will. Most of those people have left already. Once you guys see the knife, you just leave. 7.5 inches overall. Blade length is coming in at 3.25. Cutting edge is coming in at about 3 1/8. There's milling for weight reduction on the inside, and I'll weigh it for you guys. 3.25 inch blade. So there's your number for ratios. 3.5 ounces of weight. Pretty darn good considering this is a full titanium knife at 7.5 inches. Not bad, Kunwu. Nice stuff. This knife will get a full comprehensive review probably 2 to 3 weeks from now. I am still looking for stuff for review, so make sure you guys check out the community tab on my channel if you want to see what it is I'm looking for. If you've got something on the list you want to loan to me for a little bit, you will get your knives back. But this will actually come down the pipeline a little bit faster because my reserve for knives for review is dwindling. I think that is that's really all that I have to say. Make sure you guys check out the Kunwu website. I know they have a lot of stuff going on right now. Like I said, I'll make sure and link it right down below so you guys can check it out. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Thanks again to Kunwu for letting me check this out. Always excited. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.